to not generate false alarms and to be a little more careful with their systems. Sometimes they're warranted, but a lot of times they're not.
For the past 3 years, on average, the Billings Fire Department responds to 833 false alarms. They make up about 5.5% of the department's total call volume of about 16,000 per year.
It's more than just that one engine. It affects the department across the board because you're now taking, an engine out of service to deal with that, and there may be another call in their area where another fire station will have to respond to it.
Starting in the new year, commercial property owners will face a $250 fine on either their third false fire alarm or third false burglar alarm.
So any alarm is considered an in-progress event, so you're getting a minimum of 2 cars.
For the police department, the false burglar alarm calls are more staggering. Billings Police Lieutenant Sean Mayo said so far in 2021, Billings Police have received 3,333 burglar alarm calls. Nearly half of those calls were noted by officers to be alarm malfunctions at 1,613. Trouble is, every burglar alarm is considered an in-progress event, meaning a quick response from officers, and say a non-injury car crash might get pushed farther down the priority list.
You have something of a suspicious or maybe a